हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट, आज मैं आप लोग के लिए एक नया चैप्टर लेकर आया हूं, जिस चैप्टर का नाम है द राइटर ऑफ क्लास 12 का। इसके 60 क्वेश्चन हैं जो राजू प्रकाशन के हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, हु वाज द राइटर ऑफ सेलर, हाउ डिड ही मेक देम। आंसर है, द राइटर ऑफ सेलर was a poor peddler who sold small rat traps made of wire. He made them himself by begging for material from storage and at big farms. Second question है, what idea about the whole world did strike in his mind once? Answer है, the peddler was struck by the idea that the whole world is a giant rat trap. It offers riches and joys as bait to trap people, and once someone is caught, everything comes to an end. Third question है, who gave him shelter for, for the night and why? Answer है, the old crofter gave the peddler shelter for the night. He was a lonely man who lived alone and was happy to have someone to talk to him in his loneliness. Fourth question है, why did rat trap seller return to crop cottage? Answer है, the rat trap seller returned to the crafter's cottage to steal the 30 kroner that the old man had shown him. He broke the window pane and took the money. 5 question number है, what happened with the rat trap seller into the woods? Answer, the peddler got lost in the woods. After stealing the money, he wandered around for a long time. He realized that he had also fallen into the world's raptors, just like he had imagined. Question number 6 है, what sound did the peddler hear into the forest? What did he do then? Answer है, the peddler heard a regular thumping sound in the forest. He followed the sound and came across the Ramsajo ironworks, where he sought shelter for the night. Question number 7 है, what was Ramsajo ironworks? What was happening inside it? Answer है, the Ramsajo ironwork was a large iron factory. Inside, the master smith and his assistant were working hard, making a lot of noise with the furnace and the hammering of iron. 8वां क्वेश्चन है, 8वां क्वेश्चन नंबर, हाउ डिड द आयरन मास्टर react seeing the vagabond raptor inside his forge? Answer, the iron master mistook the peddler for an old regimental comrade, captain on stable. He invited him to his house for Christmas, but the peddler declined the offer. 9 question number, why was the vagabond not ready to go with the iron master to his house? Answer है, the vagabond was not ready to go with the iron master because he had stolen money from the crofter and was afraid of being caught. He felt that going to the ironmaster house would be like entering the lion's den. Question number 10 है, what did the iron master do to bring vagabond to his house? Answer है, the iron master tried to convince the peddler to come to his house, but when he refused, the iron master sent his daughter Idla Williamson to pursue him. Question number 11. What did the iron master and his daughter decided to do with the guest? Answer है, the iron master and his daughter decided to keep the peddler for Christmas Eve, even after the iron master realized he was not his old comrade. They decided to give him hospitality and treat him like a guest. Question number 12 है, what mistake had the iron master done? What did, what did he want after identifying the vagabond in broad daylight? Answer है, the iron master mistake was that he had invited a stranger to his house, mistaking him for an old acquaintance. After identifying the vagabond in broad daylight, he wanted to throw him out of his house and even call the sheriff. Question number 13. Why did Idla Williamson want to give hospitality to the vagabond, the stranger? Answer है, the Idla Williamson wanted to give him hospitality to the vagabond because she felt sorry for him and his poor condition. She believed that he was a victim of the circumstances and wanted to make him feel at home, at least for Christmas. Next question है 14. How did the rat trap seller passes him time in iron master home? Answer है, the rat trap seller passed his time at the iron master home by sleeping, eating and relaxing. He spent the entire Christmas Eve sleeping and resting in the comfortable and safe environment of the house. Question number 15 है, what information did the iron master and his daughter receive at the church? Answer है, at the church the iron master and his daughter learned that the rat seller was a thief who had robbed the old crafter. They also learned that he had been staying at their house. Question number 16. What Christmas present did Idla receive from the peddler? Why did she give a little cry of joy? Answer है, the peddler left a small laptop and a letter for Idla as a Christmas present. The letters contained three wrinkled 10 kroner Christmas 10 kroner notes. Idla cried with joy because the peddler gift and letter showed that her kindness and trust had a positive effect on him. He had returned the money he had stolen from the crafter, acknowledging his mistake and expressing his gratitude for her compassion. Question number 17. Why did peddler consider the word as a rapture? Answer है, the peddler considered the world as a rapture because he believed that the world offered riches and joys as a bait to trap people, just as a rapture offers cheese and pork. He thought that anyone who was tempered by the bait would be caught in the trap and everything would come to an end for them. Question number 18 है, what made the peddler think that he had indeed fallen into rapture? Answer है, the peddler thought he had fallen into the rapture when he stole the 30 kroner from the crofter and then got lost in the forest. He realized that the money was the bait that had trapped him. He was unable to find his way out of the forest, which made him feel like the was caught in a big inescapable raptors. Next question 19. Why did the man selling raptors resort to begging and petty thievery? Answer है, the man selling raptors resort to beginning and petty thievery because his business was not profitable. He was a poor vagabond who struggled to make a living, and his clothes were in rags. To survive, he had to resort to beginning and stealing small things. Question number 20 है, last question. What happened when church clock struck 12? Answer है, when the church clock struck 12, the iron master and his daughter Idla were informed by one of their servants that a man who sold raptors and robbed a crafter. His news comforted the iron master's suspicion that the peddler was not the captain he had thought him to be. ये थे इसके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन, और वीडियो बड़ा बन जाएगा इसलिए हम इसको बहुत बड़ा बनाएंगे और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन अगले चैप्टर में, अगले वीडियो में. ओके, थैंक यू.